2012 Honda Odyssey touring van, 8-passenger van. Maroon metallic paint, aluminum sport alloy wheels with Michelin tires, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, tow hitch trailer package with rear bumper protector, stub and go third row seating, power tailgate, power sliding back doors with remote. Nice well kept beige leather interior with window screens, retractable. Rear DVD entertainment system with the widescreen. Power windows, locks and mirrors with memory driver seat. Carpeted floor mats throughout. Looks like it's got a cool box down there. Auxiliary audio inputs. Premium sound system. Dual automatic air conditioning. Navigation. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Automatic headlights. Just under 127,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us. There you go.